Top 10 animal impressions. Number 1, bird. Number 2, cat. Number 3, crow. I'm actually a crow whisperer. Did you know that? One time outside of school, I just called a bunch of crows by going and so a bunch of crows turned up and everyone's like, what the fuck? What is going on? And then I just walked home. Next, dog. Dog, again. Number 6, dolphin. Number 7. Oh, fuck. Half-cooked chicken. Number 8, crow. Again. Number 9, Shrek, smoker. Oh, hello there, laddie. I smoke. Number 10, udder. Shrek, non-smoker. I don't smoke, laddie. I don't smoke, laddie. That's enough, donkey. Cow. Goat. Okay, thank you for watching.